Hi everybody, my name is Steven Corzyk. I'm the Automotive Application Engineer here at HP, and we are at Rapid in Detroit, Michigan, where we are partnered with Blazin Rodz, a hot rod shop out of LA. They've brought this incredible 2,800 horsepower twin turbo 1970 Chevelle that has over 75 multi-jet 3D printed parts on it. This vehicle is a bespoke one-off car. It's completely coach built and takes advantage of all of HP's technologies, including multi-jet fusions, PA12 glass bead, polypropylene, PA12S, PA12, and the new PA12 fire retardant material. On the car for the show, we've replaced parts on the car with blue versions so we can help point out what they are. And some of the parts that weren't replaced because they were painted or glued in have arrows pointing to the actual parts themselves, so we can help our customers see what could be inspired by an awesome hot rod shop like this. So we have some of the parts over on the tables over here that the attendees can take a look at. We've got some metal jet parts that are demonstrations. We've got those PA12 glass bead parts used in high heat and high stiffness required locations. We've got polypropylene parts where we're exposed to coolants or fluids or things like that. We've got PA12S where we want to have a little bit better surface finish. We want to have a nice part that looks really good coming out of the printer, and these have been dyed black. We've got the awesome PA12 fire retardant material. This is a really good application because it's actually part of the ignition system. So we have very high voltage electricity going through here, and it's right near the engine. So we want to make sure that this is going to be a safe part. Should any of those other parts fail, we're not going to have a fire inside the motor. And then lastly, we have a ton of PA12 on the vehicle for ducts, headlights, brackets, mounts. It's everywhere inside the car. One of the awesome things that we've done for this show specifically is we've incorporated HP's text to AI in the car itself. So this is the steering wheel center cap of the original vehicle, and it's not that interesting, right? We've got the logo, it looks cool, but there's a lot of blank space here. And so we took HP's 3D text to 3D tool and applied it, and we said, hey, here's a go, no-go region. Now the people walking up to the show can say, I want a texture of an ivy with roses on it, and they can generate their own 3D model right in front of themselves at the booth. A really cool, awesome application of the text to 3D tool. So thanks for joining us. Take a look at the car if you're at Rapid and ask if you have any questions.